My definition of literacy was the understanding of the English language, the understanding of a language. But literacy is something that we have in our everyday lives. It's not just reading, it's not just writing. It's our listening skills, it's our vocabulary, it's our socialization skills, it's our creativity. It's not only going to be defined in one thing, like the English language. It's not only just in language arts, it's in every single thing that you'll ever do. It plays a huge role in everyone's life.
Our keynote speaker, John Trischetti, told us that illiteracy is a global issue. It's something that should be addressed, and it's something that we can address. He talked about how it impacts our economy and how it impacts our communities, but he said that there is a way to solve illiteracy, and it is through education. We wanted the kids to see, yes, if they go into Border Patrol, yes, if they go into, being a police officer, whatever it is they choose, literacy is going to play an important and critical role in any career they go into.
I played a DUI video so they can know the different types of articulating and the details and how one simple thing can make such a difference. I let them write in their own words what they thought was important to articulate and what they observed. I let them go ahead and work as a group, discuss what options and how their literacy was different from within each other. Then I challenged them. I acted as an attorney, and I told them because they didn't articulate a certain date or a time or a license plate or how you're going to prove that this individual was under the influence, then the case would be dismissed because they didn't do their literacy correct the way they should have done on the report. When you go to court, they will compare your speech with your literacy to see if it matches and see if you are a valid witness in court.
In healthcare, it's not just learning how to read and write. It's learning how to decode things, learning how to read nutritional facts, learning how to read when your dosages are supposed to be taken when you get your medication given. Not everybody knows medical terminology, so sometimes even though doctors want to do the best, you have to simplify. So it's not only about being able to understand the medical terminology, but it's about being able to communicate with people. I think that's something very crucial in the healthcare field, and I'm so glad that we're able to enlighten the youth right now and let them know of the possibilities that are done with it, that it's not just about reading and writing, it's about public speaking, working with others, talking to your neighbor. There's just so much more that comes along with it.
When they go through a workshop like this, they got to go through all the endorsements, they got to go through different careers and get exposed to that. So we're able to bring them in and kind of bridge that gap between this is what I want to do and this is why the education I'm getting is important and how it ties to that career.